3 minutes, 9 seconds remaining.
Yes, sir.
First free throw by JP is good. 38-32. It's a timeout from a timeout. Second basket for JP, also good. 39-32, 7-point lead. Iger got bumped by red 34, Hill. That's Hills.
I'll take the foul.
First personal, 13th foul on Mission Care. 2 shots for Iger. First free throw by Iger is good. 39-33. Second free throw on net. 39-34. WJ got fouled by number 17, EJ. 2 shots. Third personal foul on EJ. 50 foul, but 2 shots for WJ.
Kahit punta ka pa sa pinaka...
Last 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes. Iger power move for 2 is good. 41-36. Just a 5-point lead, ladies and gentlemen. WJ for 3. Shooting foul. That's Yoke. First personal, 16 foul. 2 shots for Vince. 1 minute, 31 remaining.
Pahinga lang. Para makakuha ng hininga.
Flawless first shot. 42-36.
Wala ka, Pen.
Kailan pa ito, pag-alamayan ako sa akin, ha? Pag-alamayan ko na, para may kape.
Second shot, first for 3 shot for Vince. Second shot is good. 43-36.
Dalawa.
Ayan, may dumadaan na naman sa ilalim. Habang may naglalaro ako kay Lalan.
Last shot.
3 for 3 for Vince. 44-36. Number 30. Oh, 30, right? JP. Second personal on JP. 14 foul. 2 shots for Iger. Time remaining. 126. 8-point lead. Mission Care.
Sure yan. Ano sure win?
Yan, sure yan. I agree.
Sure win.
Sure win na, tol.
First basket by Iger is good. Second basket also good. 44-38. Anim lang po ang kalamangan ng Mission Care. 15-second shot clock. 10 seconds. WJ for 3. No, Iger rebound. Alvin for 3. No! 1 minute to go. 1 minute. 44-41. Tatlo lang ang lamang. 15-second shot clock. 10 seconds. Rebound by Arnel. 14 seconds remaining. Alvin. He got fouled. galing
Salamat
po.
ka.
Whose foul is it?
Paulil.
Well,
Apat na.
Fourth personal on Renwell. 50 foul on Mission Fair.
Apat. 31 seconds.
2 shots for Aldrin.
walang kape.
First basket is good. 44-42. 31.8 seconds remaining. Second free throw, all net for Aldrin. 44-43. 15-second shot clock. 10 seconds. Steal by Hill. Counter steal by Hill. 7 seconds remaining. 3.7 seconds. That's the 17th foul. 2 shots for Hill. 44-33. 3.7 seconds remaining. Huwag kang makinig.
Sabi ko, mag-autograph ako sa kanya. Sabi ko, mag-autograph ako sa kanya. Di ba traffic yun?
First basket by Hill was good. 45-43. Timeout, Blues. That's their last timeout. No more timeouts for Blues. 2 timeouts for Red. Penalty na sila. Kayo 5 team fouls. Penalty na kayo, 1-on-1. Pag nag-foul kayo.
Magaling na eh.
Huwag ng pwersa yun.
Okay, let's do this.
Isang shot lang yan, 3 point. Papagayin mo. Tapusin nyo muna yung free throw.
No foul.